Hello everyone, Pioneer Listing one day left. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked to subscribe to PiCrypto News channel and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. How Pioneer did. You are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork. As of today, you are a millionaire. Debates surrounding the value of Bitcoin have intensified as new developments within the PiNetwork ecosystem emerge. In its inception, many have questioned whether Pi could achieve a significant valuation. However, recent data suggests strong indications that the price of Bitcoin may indeed be heading towards $314, a figure long regarded as the global consensus value by many pioneers. But what evidences supports this prediction? A closer examination of key data points reveals a compelling narrative. Historical data, CoinMarketCap's self-reporting disclosure in 2021. The Pigor team made a strategic move by formally requesting CoinMarketCap to register 3 email addresses for self-reporting Pi IOU data. This step was crucial in promoting transparency within the Pi community. A surprising revelation from CoinMarketCap is that it remains the only platform to report the circulating supply of Bitcoin at 68 million coins. This figure challenges the prevailing assumption that Pi's circulating supply is significantly higher. It also raises questions about how supply impact future pricing. All-time high of Pi reached $330, one of the most striking data points supporting Pi's potential valuation is its historical all-time high at one point. PiPhone market cap reached of $330 when accounting for a margin of error of approximately 5 cents. This value aligns closely with the widely accepted global consensus value of $314 within the Pi community. This suggests that the $344 valuation is not merely speculative, but rather rooted in historical pricing trends. The correlation between past market performance and projected valuations adds further credibility to the claim that Bitcoin could reach this milestone. Transfers to centralized exchanges or CX align with circulating supply estimates over time, increasing transactions within the Pi system. Including transfers to centralized exchanges have revealed a significant trend of now the estimated amount of Pi transferred to exchanges is approaching 70 million coins. Interestingly, this figure closely matches CoinMarketCap's previous reported circulating supplies of 68 million coins. 7 if the total circulation reaches just under 100 million coins. Sitwo old still aligned with initial supply estimates that have been officially disclosed. Additionally, regulatory restrictions in several countries have limited Pi's distribution, further constraining its availability. A limited supply, coupled with growing demand and adoption, could drive the price of Bitcoin to new heights. Recent market data indicates that Bitcoin has surged to as high as $200 across various platforms. This sudden rise is not incidental, rather it reflects increased demand from the community and a surge in transaction activity within the Pi ecosystem. If this trend continues, the notion of Bitcoin reaching $304 is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Is $304 a realistic price for Bitcoin? Examining historical data, CoinMarketCap supply reports, and recent price trends, there are compelling reasons to believe that Bitcoin could reach $304. Key factors supporting this projection include the historical at 8 of twerk reaching $330, which aligns with the widely accepted GCV of $300 circulating supply estimates from CoinMarketCap, corresponding closely with current market conditions. Our cent prices urge pushing point to $200 in a short period. A global community actively driving adoption and utilization of Pi as a payment method. While noon can definitively predict when Bitcoin will reach $314, the data presents a strong case for the possibility. What is clear is that the future of Bitcoin is becoming increasingly promising.